Hi, my name is Shashank Indkure and today I am going to demo the assignment for part 1 for CSC 480. This is an implementation for Navie Bayes Classification for text by using the probabilistic reasoning. Here I have implemented this by using the object-oriented design because of it's easy to implement, cleaner and scalable than functional programming. So let me dive into the implementation. So these couple of methods are just to load the train data, test data, and the main methods are nbtrain, nbtest and nbclassify. Before that, let me run the program, and I made this as an interactive. So here I can click on one, enter the test data and test labels. Yep. And in the meantime, before it tests, let me walk through the logic. As you can see here in the NB train, I am looping on each label and calculating the prior probabilities of each of them, and looping on each vocabulary and calculating the posteriors or conditional probabilities by using the formula that was given in the slides. The same formula I am applying on them. And then in NB test, here I am looping on each test instance of the matrix, calling this NB classify. And what does it do? It takes a one test instance and predict the label. So here it loops on each label and it iterates and calculates the instant probability and stores the maximum probability of on each label and stores in this tuple with the log sum probability as well as the label that is predicted. And here I am using this log formula as to avoid the underflow of the smaller probability values. So I am using the same formula to predict the actual label and the probability. And here I am doing for all the test instances, and also I am calculating the overall accuracy of the given test data. And these are all the methods are the just for printing the necessary information like intermediate results. And this is my main block where I made it interactive to train the data, test the data and classify one new instance, evaluate. And our training is successful. To show the intermediate results of prior probabilities, I can click Y and we can see the prior probabilities. And similarly, if you want to see the posteriors, I click on Y and enter the term, and you can see the posteriors. You can enter as many terms as you can, and you can quit, and you can evaluate or test the data by passing the test information. And let me pass the test information and test labels. And it takes some time to evaluate and calculate the overall accuracy of our trained model. And you can see it's 0.876. And in order to see the test instances, you can pass how many test instances, and it gives you all the test instances. And you can see test item number, predicted class, actual class, and the log sum of the log probability value. And you can also do the testing on one instance. So you can pass one instance data, and that will give you the predicted label with log probability. And finally you can click 4 to click or exit. Thank you so much.